Cherry Beach on a Wednesday night, 22 degrees.
Are you guessing or is this real?
Come on,
I'll hit it
Janae.
from
First
wrong.
to the ball, Janae.
Plays it back to Natasha.
Special guest Gianmarco and Rokino, future OPDL players.
Good ball. Come
I didn't see
on.
your last name. It's
Go,
gone
Emma.
Why? Do you not like it?
too. She thinks people are gonna look for her.
No. Don't. And her Instagram is
Go, Maya.
No, I'm not gonna put that in. Unless you want to put that in. Keep it
Quickly.
safe.
number 8 on the ball.
Let's go, Toronto!
Time.
What are you shy? No one knows it's you.
Plays it
Unless I
back.
turn it to you.
Good
No
ball.
one's camera's on this side, sorry.
Touch.
Midfielder from
Blizzard.
Toronto Blizzards.
If I told her her name's gonna be on here, she'll come.
No, she walked in front of it last time on purpose. She already has her cameo. Switch ball to Alex.
Oh, Bella.
Okay, I'm so bad. From here, it looked like it was going across the field to Alex, but it's further to the middle.
Like last week, I had a feeling every week.
They look good on the ball, the Blizzards.
Yeah, but our girls always take 7 minutes to find flow. Who your team?
Everyone does. Our boys tied the West Toronto.
First 7 minutes is the time it takes to find flow.
Subs.
You know what flow is?
Yeah.
The way y'all were passing that ball yesterday was the best I've ever seen all season. Out wide, back to the middle, left foot, right foot, beautiful.
Your team's so there's 3 of us. That's it.
2,000 boys.
Our physicality is our best attribute,
Playing defense.
and our intelligence. Not so much our technical skills, we missed a penalty.
Yeah, I did see that.
We should have been 1-0. Should have won that game.
And I feel like something else happened. Oh, I remember the linesman told me to be quiet because when the guy missed the
You know it's gonna hear that.
Marco's not shy. Learn from him.
Nobody in the
Okay, I'm
mix,
just gonna say that word
ever.
out loud.
Do whatever you want to do. It's your
Bad
world.
ball.
Tomas has no shame.
You're an adult, you should be stopping.
Remember Tomas has...
I'm a good coach.
Who's in the middle?
So, the yellow tied the West Toronto 1-1.
Go wide, Asia.
That's what West Toronto's confidence after that tournament, right?
Probably.
My friend's almost Toronto.
Yeah. They're west of Toronto. They're
Not
west.
the 6.
They're not the 6. They're west of the 6.
They're
There's only one Toronto club. And who they
They're
are?
almost...
No, I don't.
High Park.
I breaks my heart. No, it breaks my heart.
High Park.
High Park. Isn't that? Come on, commentate. Do whatever you want.
Forehead on the ball. No. Oh, good through ball of Toronto Blizzards midfielder.
How am I helping them?
Go, Emma.
Oh, standing tackle. Keep it.
What do you mean? Refs make mistakes. You're a perfect ref. You made a mistake. You know how to ref.
Oh yeah, we need better refs. I got a stuck up tackle to my knee.
Is it better now?
It's still bruised. Oh, you can't see it at
I
night.
saw that. It was
You
bad.
not see it at night.
You showed me on Monday.
Do you see?
It's not as bad as it was the other day.
No.
It's
Yeah,
better.
I got one more against
We got better.
I was dribbling with the ball.
They're going up.
I look, the guy's rushing at me, and he's like, his foot's fully.
Oh, I mean, none here. Oops.
They're tall, the other team.
They're a physical squad.
Yeah.
The biggest team doesn't always win.
The biggest heart wins.
Mhm.
I know.
Gotta bring that back to the 05 girls. Inspiration. Give us some motivational talk right now. Inspire us, Rakina. Future captain. Let's go. Future captain. Let's go.
She's not crying because
Nope.
she loves the team. She's crying because she's choked up in the moment. You could
Don't let
talk.
him shake your reality.
I'm the bad conscience.
And you have Koya on the right, the good conscious. That was perfect.
I'm the person saying you can't do that.
Succeeded or what happened?
You're
Come on,
not
girls.
gonna be able.
Oh, she's inspired today for that hat trick. She told me.
So you can't be sure to do it. What?
Am I in between you two? Should I move over that way?
Go, Janae! Go, Janae!
Yo, yeah, pace. Physicality.
Pace?
Cut!
But Emma's in net. Don't worry
Do you
about
guys
it.
have like practice shorts? No, I had like practice shorts from last year. Oh, that's for you.
Yeah, on the ball. Find Rachel. Rachel, good touch. Back to the end. Or you can do that too. Back to Natasha. Foul ref. No ball.
Nothing?
Clarice with the recovery. Rachel sends the ball. Cameron. Cameron touch.
That touch by Cameron, eh? That touch by Cameron. I'm the color commentator. So Marcos is the play-by-play, and I add in the points. Right, we have our flow. So you could be a color commentator too.
Teamwork.
See, she's saying okay. Yeah. Great color commentary.
Touch by Cameron. Recovery by the defender. Plays recycles to the goalie.
Alright, go by position. Center mid, center back.
Or be like really general. Just say midfielder, defender.
Ooh.
Tackle by Clarice.
Glad to see she's back after last week. She got hurt last week.
Oh yeah.
And
And then ate the cheesecake. Thank you
the
very much.
cheesecake made her better.
We have more, I think.
God, again?
Well, we went to, do you know AT&T right there? Hey, the
What we
commentators
do,
get off, and they don't know
It's a side
much.
topic.
Yeah,
They
You don't-
said
like when-
France never won a World Cup.
No,
Yeah, in the France against Holland.
that's embarrassing.
France never won the World Cup.
They won it 20 years ago. That's embarrassing.
And they won it, when they like destroyed Brazil. Oh, good move. Whoa. Okay, he called that.
Come on, ref.
You don't see much tall midfield. It's only like the Pogba and stuff.
That's the future. The holding mid is going to be a tall player in the future.
Be hard to get around. Strength.
Right? You can't go over top of him because he could jump.
Yeah, and he probably has a good shot.
Next time, do this. I never thought about that. Thank you.
Interception by Natasha. Back to Martine. Back to Sophie.
Nice reset.
Back to Natasha.
Okay.
Resetting. Better than North Toronto. Just gotta point it in. They know. Remember when we first up? All they did reset back to the goalie. Who
That's
fucked
all
you?
they do.
Take a throw in, back to the receiver. Footwork by the attacker.
Natasha
Interception
getting
by
in there.
Natasha. What a
No one's
tackle.
getting past her today.
Rachel on the ball. Cameron, good touch. Says Rachel again. Awesome wall pass. Keeps it
Hit
in.
it.
Back goal ref.
Kill it. If you have to kill it that way, go
They don't have
ahead.
a linesman here. They don't have a linesman.
Wow, I didn't even notice that. I'm kidding. Relax.
Oh, it smells like it's burning.
Oh, we're at Cherry Beach. Anything's possible.
Yeah, it smells like garbage.
I hope the bike guys come today on the last day.
Exactly.
I swear to God.
Okay.
The
It's
bike,
gone now.
the bike guys are cool.
Thank you.
Remember the first time they came, everyone was like,
Right? It's like Simcoe seeing the CN Tower,
Yeah.
taking pictures.
imagine they all went out for dinner and skipped the game.
There's a whole backstory to this, sorry.
Touched by Sophie. Cruyff to Natasha. Caught under pressure by the attacker from Blizzard.
Very composed, very, very composed.
Clarice with time in the middle. Taking her space. Plays a simple option to Martine. Martine using her space.
Come on, Alex. Press, press.
That's what I hate about a defender, getting caught in those awkward positions.
Just turn it. I'll control it. Akina's vision. I thought that was the bikers for a sec.
No, they play nerdy music. They play nerdy. Seb, come back! Oh. Save your seat. Bianca?
10 minutes in.
Yeah, it's all the way down. Oh, she's quick.
Pace.
She can go around.
But
the
Emma,
ball.
let's
That's all
go.
ball.
Let's
Thank
go,
you for the
Emma.
tackle. Bye.
Come join us again, please.
Good job, Emma.
And Lakina just got released from her 1 year.
What a keeper!
1 year.
That's 10 minutes of
1
experience.
year contract.
This team, they're all fitness. You can tell.
Yes. How practically we were last year. Before we practiced, we ran 4 laps. Well, laps are boring. I figure.
Laps are a waste of time, man.
Mhm.
All fitness should be ball related.
Yeah. If we ran laps with the ball at our feet.
No. Even that, I'd rather you get some cones, you go inside, outside, work on your touch, like the beast mode stuff I post on Instagram,
Yeah.
that type of stuff. You get more touches on the ball doing that, more of a workout.
Yeah, on the ball.
So Lily's got the kick.
Oh, that's smart by the striker. They played in the touch should come. Finds Clarice. Okay, that's midfielder.
That's why we don't reach. We gotta get to the space, ladies. You don't even have a linesman, ref. Come on.
Where's the lineman here?
I was out. Come on.
Can I go play linesman? And then after everything, be annoying and go,
Someone didn't want to get paid today.
Okay, we'll do it.
not biased.
That's it, Clarice. You protect our castle.
Both guys that ref Plattenberg got confused with from Arsenal left now.
Yeah. Gibson Oxley champion. I read all the comments on Instagram. That's the biggest joke by far today. Everyone's remembering that.
I forgot about it completely.
So bad.
I was going to say something. No. Headshot.
No, but it was what?
Clarice is just as confused as we are.
What was that one?
They're all as confused. They look like they. Oh, I almost scored the first F2 on my game.
From where?
It was Cedarville, maybe 25 yards maybe, but not
Center
like
channel, right channel, left channel?
middle.
Middle?
So it's harder from the middle.
We don't know. No one knows.
The wall stood in the middle, so it's like, the goalie made a good save.
Oh yeah. When you get that big net, man, you put him in like that.
I
right?
know.
Now you know you can do
I'm
it,
so
right?
excited.
With pressure, you know you can do it too, because you did it last
Yeah.
play. It was good.
90th minute.
Aguero's gonna leave Man City. He's not gonna get played. If Sanchez goes there, he's never gonna get played.
I think they played Sanchez.
They play Sanchez over him and Jesus over him.
I wouldn't play his dudes over him.
Yeah, but Guardiola's weird. He knows what he wants and he doesn't care about anything else. See how quick this red team is?
Oh, good ball from Fabi. Peace.
See how... Come on, Fabi! Yeah. Fabiana! Woo!
Fabiana takes the
See
keeper!
how fast this team is?
Fabiana dinks the keeper. Good job, Fabi! can chip the goalie and not just do the Griezmann.
Fabiana handling her business. Let's go. Today's the dog day. Let's go. Sorry, Enzo.
Hey, pressure wins the ball. You see, they pressed. The goalie made the mistake.
High press, baby. It's the greatest defensive tactic.
High
Jurgen
press
Klopp.
FIFA. Da, 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 da.
Jurgen Klopp, man. That's why Liverpool killed Arsenal, man. They're just quick to press
That's why
so
they signed
badly.
Salah, Mane, Firmino's quick.
There's no rush. You come up ready. 100%. So 1-0 SC Toronto. 15 minutes in.
Was that a high foot? Not high foot, but.
No, we've seen some bizarre calls already today.
Did you get a haircut?
Yeah, every 3 minutes. It's like systemated.
I noticed it when you were playing. My haircut schedule is messed up.
How often do you get your haircut? Come on, Lily.
Every month.
Yeah, no. Because as a coach, look at this. Lee and 3 syllables. Not time for 3 syllables. Lee, 1 syllable. So what's your name? Anna. Still shorter than 3.
Fun.
So what's your nickname? Roke?
No.
Nah. Hey, nah. 1
Nah,
syllable.
nah.
No, you don't like that one?
Nah.
Sorry, Joe. Let's get your work code idea. My bad.
Nah, I'm not feeling it. It works well. Nah, don't try the shot. Nah.
And you're so funny.
I know.
No, well, we call it V, I guess.
I'd be a sit-down comedian. I hate standing up.
That's a great
Oh my
joke.
god,
That is
so
a great
funny.
joke. Only at SC Toronto we can find this magic. Yeah, you wanna know.
Intercepted by Lieta. Turn.
Yeah, Lily.
Woo! Woo!
Why do you think it's never taken
Absolutely not good.
Interesting. I never took it to that level. Thank you.
in? You're welcome.
Oh, you're gonna get yours soon too. Don't worry.
My first time on a plane, there's a thunderstorm outside, and I get window seat. I'm crying. I put the thing down and freaking out. Everyone's like, why'd you put the window down?
Who's your team versus last?
Yeah.
You're 2000 boys.
We have Peniche tomorrow.
You hold your hand. You scared the whole
Portuguese club in our city.
You know Panu.
No, Peniche doesn't have girls teams. But that's small.
Because he doesn't talk.
They're a baby club. Oh yeah, we'll do it at halftime.
replays.
At halftime, we'll bring it back. I want to see what those fouls were.
True.
Cameras on the other side.
No, don't put only a little bit of my finger.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
How could Jamarco find it before you?
Yeah, I don't want to put my whole hand in front of it.
Nah, it's just because you're the camera's over
Way to go,
here.
D!
What?
Oh no, you didn't get it.
It's because the camera's over there. What is
Two
that?
best friends forever and ever.
No, it's the one with the guy and the dog. It's like, I think the best friend.
That sounds familiar. Where's that from?
I don't know. All I remember is this guy and his dog.
No, decide, Rakina. If you're gonna do it, do it. No wishy-washiness. No wishy-washy. Decide and do it.
Don't be
Wishy-washy.
like Bradley on the penalty. He didn't know what to do, so
So, what's that?
did you?
Best friend. Yo, look how miserable she is.
Yeah, you
You do what you gotta do. Be a good friend. It's all good, Cameron. Let's go.
It meant to happen if she gets it. Ooh. And you guys put on slide tackles like crazy.
Oh,
Kill.
no. The 06 boys are better at slide tackling.
Like that. That guy.
That's a great. Now you guys know that. Now you guys don't know what to do that. You can't do
They're
that.
not usually it's too fast for them.
Yeah. Hopefully I can keep him as a sub player. He's not going to make the main 18. If I keep him as a sub player, he has potential.
Questa cosa sempre.
What?
Quella là.
What's going on?
You're so quiet.
You just have grass turf?
Right now it's 20 minutes in at Cherry Beach.
Well, the only games they played one
Good ball, but the ref makes his own
played
offside
one
calls
time
now.
Which sentence is correct? Egg yolks are white.
We don't have a
egg
home
yolk
field.
is white.
You don't have a home
Egg yolks is white or the egg yolk is white?
No way.
Which one?
So always away games.
The owner of the team and
They both do.
They both do.
club
Since
that
when
they
are
were
egg yolks
using,
white? Yolks are yellow.
I think they got
He
into it.
doesn't know.
What do you mean? He said one too.
Hey, at least I chose him on a proper grammar.
Use that one next time.
long
Get
time
that?
ago.
At least
A couple weeks ago.
I chose him on a proper grammar.
I was thinking of that, but I was like, wait, no, I was trying to choose which sentence right.
Neither
No,
of
this
them
is
are
our
right.
home field, but none of us live in it.
Go ahead, do that.
Sorry?
Hey, but if it was white, you're talking about one.
You
The
guys live
second one.
around the Beach River?
Yeah, but
Clear
we're
end?
both wrong here, Marco.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go SC!
Baby.
Leader at the back doing what she does best. Free kicks.
He used to train Benfica there at the GJ Puccinini field.
I live right across
Podolski.
from JJ. Oh, wow. I live
Oh, I thought I said Rodriguez.
Nah, Podolski, man.
What? I didn't know I said Podolski.
New Caledonia? New Caledonia? Novera?
I was thinking it was Jay Rodriguez of Southampton.
Who would wear a
We're
Southampton
down there all the
jersey?
time.
I know.
Unless you're from London, you wouldn't wear that.
Sometimes my kids call us his mother's husband to eat. Okay, go Sinclair, do whatever. You go dairy free, you know,
Oh, she said it.
Dairy free is not the same. It's changed a lot.
You know what? But it went back to the owner.
Yeah, Emma.
So they're good.
Hey, welcome
Oh,
back.
so they went back to the
They
owner?
went back to the big team.
Oh, okay, that's good then.
Why can't
That's
you
their
stay
They're
away?
gonna go back.
Oh my god. They went back to the owner.
For the longest time I stayed away from that. I remember I went to go get a burger and it was like a
They
couple
went
years ago.
back to the owners.
Oh my god, here's a solid light. I think the
They're coming? They're coming?
white guys.
Let me know if they're coming.
I saw a light.
We should all just stand.
I swear.
This is what I don't get. What is this? This is
Who's
against the
the
Uber team too.
technical
Why is it
director
showing?
now for us? Paul
Introduce her,
Martin?
she's here.
Oh yeah, really?
Oh, so our star commentator's back.
Star.
Good
you're
friend
not
of mine
on-
was
you're
a couple of years ago,
live.
but he
Just
passed
say your name
away.
anyways.
Joe?
Joe DiCifora.
Mari.
Put you.
I love you.
Mari.
Yeah, he's a great guy.
My daughter's
I thought that was Miriam.
Yeah.
Mary. That's the mistake I kept on
He
making. You
wanted to
got
bring me
Mary and
over
Mari.
and then
Right?
I swear.
And you got Nah.
even Ray Carvalho.
Got it. Yeah.
So we've known each other. We used to go head to head all the time. My team and his team.
Yeah, that's Leanna's.
Okay, now it's Leanne.
Yeah, no.
Depends on what day.
Nah, she's leaving.
Nah, she's leaving.
It's too late. Nah,
He's
she's
a good
leaving.
guy.
Exactly. Yeah, Emma.
Anyone please share?
Mommy, can I have sunflower seeds?
No.
They're Kim's, but it's okay.
Oh, I know her name now, so.
Oh, finally. It only took 13 games. Yeah, Sophie. Keep going,
So we
Sophie.
came off beating East York 10
job,
nothing, and they
Sophie.
think everything's easy now, right?
So you're a coach here also?
Sorry? No. This so the Toronto Blizzards is not a regular club. They're a scholarship team. So we're playing in the league just to play. But what we do is
Do you have to bite
in the
into them or
wintertime
they're
we
ready to
train.
go?
Just strictly train, like more physical than anything, and then we go down the states and we play against Division I NCAA schools.
Yeah, so I bite right into them. I go.
So like this team here, the U15s, U18s, U21s, and the League Ones.
The other girls, because I remember when I was
Sunflower.
This year.
was a men's
Yeah, he used to be
it
pro.
was a men's team.
So the same owner, he was the same
Oh, wait,
owner.
wait,
It's
so
a
you
rich-
there?
Brody,
That's not
and
the
then,
worst joke.
So, but
She's
this year
jealous
coming
that
up,
she's
it
having
was gonna be
16
boys.
points. See? You do.
Oh, she's
We have a very good team.
They're all mixed. They're 2004s, 2003s, and 2002s.
You look happier now.
That's because she got food.
Oh. How was that tryout or that practice?
It was great.
Can you keep up with the old girls?
No.
Yeah. They're good.
Are they pushing into you and stuff, like
No,
physical?
I push them too.
Yeah.
It's like. Then you went for a tip for the tackle. I said, oh.
Best friends. the original. No, this is the original.
Around your area now, there's always clubs popping up. They had Benfica pop up. So now Gil Vicentes popped up.
Not what I said at all.
Yeah, that's where I'm going now.
No, you were like, wow.
Yeah, it is boys only.
No,
No, they still have. They have a
What's
grocery.
up with that?
They have a
It's
2000.
not. It's
You know
not.
what OG means?
No, we're not.
They're not good.
I don't.
Because you're here now.
I used when I was training them, they were really good.
I don't. Can someone tell me?
That's very new.
OG
What, the
means
girls'
soccer.
Yeah, this year.
Oh my god.
The original.
So the president of
Original
Benfica.
gangster.
Yeah.
Original what?
Original gangster.
Let's do that. Okay, then it makes sense.
So
Original
they were there,
gangster.
and then they
Saying
called-
like,
Oh, not
like, I
soccer.
like I saw you play one of the best moments.
No, you were here before, so just OG. But now you're here.
not.
too.
What?
Now-
What? Did you see that? Oh my
What's
god.
going on? Come on.
Did you see it?
They're not,
Holy.
I didn't see what happened.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Jamarco, replay it for us. Say it. Replay it for
That's
us.
why he brought me on.
Wait, let me look at her number.
So, yeah. I'm the one who opened up the Barcelona camps.
So that girl was shielding Daniela, and then the ball was on the other side.
First
and then
ever
she
licensed
threw her
FC
body at her,
Barcelona.
and Daniela took the ball, and it was
I coached her up until a couple of years ago. I still coach her in futsal.
Couldn't see it.
she put her foot
Got my own
between her
futsal
legs
club.
and
So.
took the ball. But she didn't kick her or anything.
They were part of
That's the beginner one.
Like, I love
Wow.
So then you
I do
would
it
have
that too,
seen
so I'm
our
beginner
team
too.
because we
Okay. You not see me do it like that too?
North York Dynamo and Delamore Football Academy. So Delamore.
Ooh.
No, North Dynamo.
That's the
was
advanced
3 years ago.
It got really dark.
last year we had like 3 years.
And then like the OG one is where you eat the outside court too, and that's what you mark.
So Dynamo, and Lisa's the national
Shot in
futsal
music.
goalkeeper.
Wow.
No, no. Oh no, no.
This is show where
Different game.
You can't say that. That's like not PG.
Yeah, I can show that Camila Mendes is on and she's okay. So basically, I was doing the marshmallow thing, right? And it got stuck in my throat. I'm like, oh, you guys were talking about this the first time you came to my sister's game. And then also,
Yeah, but we weren't talking to you.
we talking about and then one of our teammates from her school, smart, so idiotic.
Because I'm driving to the trailer
No,
after this.
no.
I'm gonna fish later from.
No, please.
Oh no, and then there's this one because
No, it's because she was trying to cheer.
Oh, come on, come on. Yeah!
I don't know. Yeah. And then there's my restaurant.
Here, I'll help you out with this, Coach Pierce.
Thank you.
I suck at this.
I'm glad. Whoa, okay.
Ooh, I
First
did
of all, you
something.
can't turn this. See, this is like a lock. You unlock this,
So
you
how do I move it?
collapse.
Just like this?
Yeah, you just turn it. Simple. Without spinning.
Wait, where's the ball?
Oh, come on.
Want to take over again?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for your help. Offside. Come on. What a keeper!
I have a feeling with yours. That's why I brought this one.
No, just one more.
You know what I do sometimes? I just suck on them to get all the flavor out and spit them out. Yeah, and because I don't.
Then how could the seed grow in your stomach to make a tray?
Oh no, she didn't fall for it.
I like my daughter's deal.
Rakina's smart. She doesn't fall for everything.
Oh, that's this one again. Number 9. Number 9.
Race out for Simoni's tournament. I mean, race one. Did you like it? Yes.
30 minutes in, 1-0 LSU Toronto for both of Bianca Karatzi, number 7. Thanks for correcting me on camera.
If someone scored at this exact minute, it would say 3 minutes.
And we're in the 30th minute.
Italian.
Right? No, we're in the 30th.
Actually, when it's 29.
When it hits 30:01, it's the 31st. In that minute. We're a minute behind.
We're actually at the 29.
Get it?
Oh, I
From
get
0 to
that.
59 is minute 1. Right? You get that part?
Uh-huh.
So if we're at 29:30, are we in minute 29 or minute 30? Think about it. See? Yeah?
That's a bet.
Kind of my style.
Well, then when you said before we were at like the 10th minute, it was at extra 10 minutes.
It was raccoons over there.
Because it just started.
Thanks for correcting me.
Okay, there's a raccoon I heard. So
Where?
No, I hate raccoons. That's silly.
Raccoons are fun, no?
No.
We saw raccoons at the zoo.
Wow, good for you.
Raccoons are zoo animals?
We were at the zoo, Toronto Zoo.
we went to the zoo and we went to the
It's so
Canadian
boring. They're
Pavilion
just sleeping.
to watch raccoons.
Nocturnal.
You want to go zoo? You love the zoo.
Nah, but why would you see raccoons at the zoo?
You like in Montreal, they have raccoons like roaming free. And, like,
You don't like the zoo?
They're boring.
You've never been?
You get the
Not
break.
even as a school trip?
Neither did my kids. That's why I took them the
You
other
get a break.
Really? That's not a school trip, an automatic school trip, the zoo?
I took them 2 weeks
I did
ago.
the zoo with her too.
Really?
See animals.
Yeah, but that's why they're supposed to take you when you're in grade 1 or grade 2 or grade 3 as a school trip. Should be like
We
a,
had so much fun.
yeah, should be
Yeah,
like,
you. If I went
went to
before, I
the
wouldn't have
splash
had fun.
pad.
I was so uneducated. And everything.
Just hot you went to a spa.
Don't bang on the glass. Why? The polar bear bite you.
Direct went through too, but that's the point.
what's wrong? And like, boy, like spicy? Aren't you Italian? I thought we got spicy. Koya's laughing at you.
Wait, what?
She
All these
She
spicy.
said this is spicy.
Oh yeah, it's spicy.
Aren't you guys Italian?
I'm Italian. I eat spicy.
That's spicy though, with Italian
No,
palate?
that's
That's what I'm
not.
saying.
I don't like spicy. That's spicy.
Exactly.
No
I can't
way.
eat spicy food.
Canadien. Because I know, that's what I'm saying. I grew up with Italians. That's not spicy. That's
We're from the south
Like,
of
I can
Italy,
eat
so
it,
we
but
had
it's
spicy.
spicy.
Calabrese pizza. Spicy pizza.
They're hungry. Get a pepper.
I took the kids to Marcello's yesterday. We put the spicy oil on their pizza.
No, man.
No, that I wouldn't do. You can see the peppers inside of the
I
thing.
do. I love that.
Mm-hmm.
The Jamaican spices is twice as much as that. So I love Italian spice because like mild to me. Jamaican spices will destroy
Oh,
you.
Bella.
I don't like the aftertaste.
Good run,
of
Bella.
Jamaican,
Good run. Come on, Nicole. You gotta finish those.
It depends what type of spice you're talking about.
Bonnet, the Scotch bonnet. I like a little aftertaste.
If you're not used to it, you're gonna taste it, right?
Yeah.
Like with anything.
Oh my god, yes.
With rice and beans.
Come on, Alessia, win it back.
Oh my god, he loved
You gotta put red sauce on it. It's sweet.
Yeah, we get red sauce.
I really like it.
Ooh, what a team.
I never really had
Let's go FC! Shirokino, it's done.
There's one near my house.
It's the future. Like it's not a negative way. It's the older team. That's what I mean. Relax.
Think about it. We're reading the cups.
Oh, I'd say George Marco on Sunday.
I do that all the time. I'm here. I've
George
been
Marco?
stop.
So I have chicken nuggets.
They didn't have any chicken.
You show her how to do a throw in. Huh? Show her how to do a throw in.
She knows how to do it.
Does she?
I knew it.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Classic Leland.
Gosh, FIFA, fake shot. Oh, switch.
Why did they put her center forward?
I've actually used her full name. I haven't. No, I need to find a short name. Right? It's got me now.
Nah.
I like me better. No, I don't have to see my
Scott T.
people like.
You don't have a T in your name.
Then it's just like.
Hey, call her Vivi. Call her Vivi or V.
That's the point. Who cares what they think? As long as you understand what it is, we're fine. Alright? It should be like a code. He's G. G.
G. Everyone calls me G.
No, you're just hearing it that way because you're French. No, like J is G in French and G is J in French.
And I'm still not catching on to that because I failed French. No joking.
I feel French.
You probably did.
Hey, what along with the thing?
Do they teach Portuguese at your school?
No.
They used to, at my old school, they taught Portuguese.
My school, our whole school is Portuguese. You don't even teach
That's why I thought it would have a Portuguese like heritage cast. I guess they have Portuguese school in Toronto, so let's go to that. 35 minutes in, 1-0 SC Toronto.
When Portugal plays games, they can do
We have
World Cup
our
or stuff. We have to watch
Star
it.
guest commentator.
No.
I'm the OG.
B. Close him, close him, close him!
Four.
Yeah.
What?
I know what that means. Did you use it? 10 minutes.
Pierce, did you get that on Amazon?
I got the tripod, yes.
Awesome yes, yeah, I just knew that.
Psychic, right?
How much was that camera, Pierce?
This iPad, how much iPad cost? Don't talk to me.
But the regular one, that's the regular one. The cost of the regular one. See, I remember.
This is a regular
it's not the
iPad.
big one.
The other ones are the
The other
small
one's
ones.
just the small one. That's the regular one. Taught me that.
Fabiana, her second goal, right? Bang.
Valuable.
Yeah, I thought she kicked it over the net too. I thought that.
We have a lot of calls. Wait, she kicked it.
Yeah.
I didn't see anyone argue it, so I'm wondering.
Wait, it's 1.
It's one no.
Sometimes we can't. If they score, that's just like, holy crap.
Well, we have claw marks on ours.
I want to stop it and look back at that. Did he not kick it over the net?
Show the ref.
Did she not miss the net? That's how I'm
Show the
taking
ref.
thingies.
Yeah, just stop the video.
I can. That's why I need to look back
watch
at
it
that.
first.
That's another really stupid thing.
I need to look back at that. That's crazy.
Then we'll rush the ref.
I swear she missed the net completely.
She just blasted it over.
Back and you're like, oh,
If I was wrong, I'm wrong. But right now, I think I'm right. So I'm gonna stick with it until proven wrong.
I can't see from here, so I can say whatever.
Vai, Alessia, vai!
Send her off! I had to.
Send her off.
I didn't even see what happened to that.
Was that Seb that just screamed?
I didn't see that either.
Oh. You guys sounded the same.
Shouldn't be doing that.
Pace.
They're entitled. I don't think they're aggressive.
I think they keep dropping off.
I think they're
I
entitled.
missed it. What happened?
So, I don't know, but there's some calls today I'm not happy with.
Bougie.
Nola.
Show her how it's done, Rakina.
Hands!
Oh! You saw.
Go white. You're a good ref. You're a good ref.
Yeah, but I think he's trying to do two roles at once, maybe.
It's difficult.
It's like when you coach and play at the same
He's
time.
very
Pardon?
good. He's very fair.
I remember him from something.
What?
Like this?
This is a goal. This is probably a goal.
Who's in front of the ball?
Thank you.
No one's in front of the ball. Get in front of the ball!
Net. Oh!
I can't even eat these anymore.
He's all the way over there. You can't hear
How
him.
did you open that?
Ballsy. I bit it.
I can't even eat one.
Oh, yeah, yell at Nicole. She's not going to do nothing. She's a pylon.
But what I say is go ahead. I'm not scared anymore, bro. Fear is a state of mind that you should not have. Wishy-washiness and
Say that
fear.
about your legs.
Greatest line ever.
Come on, Alessia.
She's like, you want this one?
Oh, I thought you were gonna get one.
See, no one wants to go and challenge her.
Wide, Ryan, wide.
Who's Punk? Who's my name? I'm thinking of Punk.
Can't send it down the middle. You're going to lose it all the time. Janae was there, please send it down the middle. Forza, forza. Dai, un'altra volta. Dai, Alessia.
Keep going, put a foot in there.
Brava, Alessia.
Son of a bitch. That's it.
Run her over. Oh, good tackle.
Yeah, Tasha. Lead her in the back. Like
Yeah! Put her in the book.
It's against us. We're not gonna
Guilty 40.
Oh my god, really?
Wait, what?
always. What now?
What?
Hey, it's white ball. Okay, I was gonna say.
I thought he was taking out his card. He's about to take it out.
That's what I thought too.
Play the goalie, play the goalie. Okay. Man! Woo! Sauce.
Toronto Derby. So, any thoughts on the game so far, commentator R? Right, it was your code, right? Commentator R, any comments?
Nah, she has nothing to say.
I have nothing to say. They're playing.
You just said something. You had something to say. Awesome.
You hear him now?
Yeah, I heard.
It's pretty even, but towards the end, it started getting in our end.
Well, it's been a balanced game, I feel, as well. I don't know about that goal, though. Coming to the
Possession
back of
wise,
it.
I don't know why. It doesn't make sense. We have the possession of the ball here, but the ball stays here.
He's the one who gave up that.
What you're saying is we don't penetrate enough. Right? It's one of the 5 rules of soccer. You gotta be able to penetrate, get in there. It's nothing.
And capitalize on
Yeah.
other mistakes.
Don't apologize.
What? Why would you do that? When it's going back
No,
there and
no
defending?
reason to apologize. You didn't do anything wrong. Right? Am I wrong with that? Thank you.
Good thing it was in hand.
Oh, I thought it was.
Oh, y'all send it out wide. Alex was there. One of
He just stepped on her! Did you know it? Are you kidding me?
Ryan.
Are you not seeing this? Come on!
Yellow, it's time. Throw yellow.
Holy!
Ryan. Ryan.
Carmen's like, why are they clapping?
So fuzzy. The light.
And he's the one who can
Oh, Fabi territory, I think.
He won't pull it.
What are we on the third?
43rd.
Get your wall going!
When someone used to get hurt, I used to think it was a water.
Never mind.
fight, so I
Don't
used to
get
go
involved
and
with that
get water.
stuff. Just get in your neck.
It's the best time to gather the team together. Have a little talk.
Premier's on.
Yeah, I think it's Natasha's again. Number 10. Hey, number 10, number 10.
Wow.
Number 10 set piece specialist.
How many on the wall? You only need 3. What do you have? 5 people on the wall. Like, seriously?
I told her the walls can hit it.
Something happening.
Oh god, again?
That's what happens when you don't have control. Come on, man. Fuck.
Okay.
Is that a penalty?
I gotta go look at there.
All they stomp on us. This is what we were warned. I was warned about this team. Yeah. They stomp on players. They walk over you, take out your ankles. What they do?
Allen
Lack of
Iverson
talent.
walked.
They're shit. No offense, bro. This team is shit.
Walk over Allen Iverson.
You know my videos are explicit. I don't hold back. This team is shit. They're physical and that's it. It's not football. Sorry. Talentless.
Oh, in our game we saw the deadliest overlap. Tomas was overlapping Jonathan. Jonathan got slide tackled and Tomas got wiped out on the floor.
Oh, Tom, I'm pretty sure a lot of people want to do that to Tomas.
But Tomas, I thought we would never see him get up. The way he fell, the guy came and he fell like this on his back.
Free kick on the edge of the box. Wait, it's in Natasha's range now. Let's go.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Why not? I'll hold them. I don't want them.
Was it you responding to that guy hello from Texas or something?
No, that was your sister.
Yeah, and he did on the main page too. Hello from Texas.
I dropped the name of everyone.
No, it's a
You get three. Finish them. Yeah! Woo!
Let's go!
Get out of here! Freaking shit fucking team.
I put my face in
Fucking
the camera.
garbage.
I'm so happy we're winning the.
Good.
Yeah,
You support our team.
that's what you're.
Garbage
Look at
team.
all this stuff.
Let's
I-
go SC!
All the merch.
Yeah, that's not half of the bag. Let's go.